Welcome back to Talk English IRL. Learn real-life English spoken every day. Let's learn English the real way. Hey, Grace. Good morning.
Hey, Daniel. Morning. How are you today?
I'm good. A little nervous, actually.
Nervous? Why?
I had a meeting earlier, and I didn't understand everything.
Oh, that feeling.
Yeah. You know that moment when someone talks and your brain just stops?
Yes, I know that moment very well.
And then you think, should I say something or just smile?
The famous smile and nod move.
Exactly.
Don't worry, that happens to everyone.
Even you?
Yes, even me, and English is my first language.
That makes me feel better.
Good, because today's topic is very important.
Yes. Welcome everyone to Talk English IRL.
I'm Danielle,
And I'm Grace.
and today we're talking about
What to say when you don't understand English?
this is a big fear for many learners.
Very big.
So let's start slow.
Okay. Grace, let me ask you something.
Okay.
When someone speaks fast, is it hard to understand?
Yes, very hard.
And when they use new words,
Even harder.
does that mean you're bad at English?
No, it just means I'm learning.
Exactly.
Not understanding is part of learning.
But many learners feel shy.
Or scared.
They think, if I say I don't understand, people will judge me.
Yes, that fear is real.
But here's the truth.
Tell them.
Native speakers don't expect perfect English.
Most people are kind and patient.
And if you say something, it actually helps the conversation.
Silence is harder than asking. Let's talk about that awkward moment.
The moment when someone finishes talking
And you don't understand.
and there's silence.
Your heart beats faster.
Your mind is empty.
And you think, oh no.
Yes.
I had this happen last week.
Really?
Yes, I was talking to a delivery guy.
Okay.
He spoke very fast.
That's common.
I understood maybe 50%.
That's not bad.
But he stopped talking and looked at me.
Waiting for an answer.
Exactly, and my brain said, error. I just smiled
Uh-oh.
and nodded.
Classic mistake.
He looked confused.
Of course.
So I finally said, sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect.
And you know what?
What?
He smiled and repeated slowly.
See? Problem solved. Okay, now let's help our viewers.
Yes, this is the most important part.
If you don't understand English, you can say very simple sentences.
Very simple is best.
Sentence number 1.
Sorry, I don't understand.
That's it.
Short and clear.
Sentence number 2.
Can you say that again?
Very useful.
Very common.
Sentence number 3.
Can you speak slowly, please?
That one is powerful.
Yes, and polite.
Sentence number 4.
What does that mean?
Easy English.
And very natural.
You don't need long grammar.
You don't need big words.
Just be honest.
Honesty helps.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay, I'll be the learner.
I'm the fast speaker.
Okay.
So basically, we'll reschedule the meeting and touch base next week. Awkward moment.
Okay. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that slowly?
Oh, sure. The meeting is next week.
Ah, thank you.
See how easy that was?
Yes, no stress. Can we talk about pauses?
Yes, very important.
Many learners think they must answer fast.
But that's not true.
It's okay to pause and think.
Even native speakers pause.
You can say, let me think.
Or, one moment, please.
That gives your brain time.
And it feels natural.
Silence with words is better than silence with fear.
I like that sentence. Grace, do you use humor when you don't understand?
Sometimes, yes.
Like what?
I say, sorry, my English brain is slow today.
That's great.
People usually smile.
Humor relaxes everyone.
But keep it simple.
No jokes you don't understand.
Exactly.
Now, group conversations.
Oh, those are hard.
Many people talking.
Different accents.
If you don't understand, what can you do?
You can ask one person.
Or, Say, sorry, can you explain that?
Or, I didn't catch that.
That's a great phrase.
Yes, very natural English.
I didn't catch that means I didn't hear or understand.
Easy and useful.
Grace, what's the big lesson today?
Not understanding English is normal.
And asking for help is okay.
It's not weak.
It's smart.
Very smart.
When you speak up, you learn faster.
And you feel more confident.
Silence doesn't help you grow.
Speaking does.
So, if you don't understand English,
Don't panic.
breathe.
Smile.
Say something simple.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Perfect.
Perfect is not needed. Real is enough.
I love that.
Me too.
Thanks for talking with me today, Grace.
Thank you, Daniel.
And thank you for watching Talk English IRL.
Keep practicing your English every day.
You are doing better than you think.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.